Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to get free delivery in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to get free delivery in Doordash, all you need to do is open a website of your preference and type in the URL www.doordash.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of the Doordash app. So once you're here, simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the left hand side of the corner and tap on the get $0 delivery fees. So once you tap on this link, you will end up in this kind of interface, which is of Dash Pass. So the key to getting the free delivery is choosing your plan of Dash Pass. So once you choose your subscription, your monthly, annual plan or student plan, you can enjoy the facility of getting free delivery in your Doordash orders. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.